Siaya.
Riwruoge makedo ne ratich oganda e pacho ka, joked ne ratich nyithindo kod jochiw thieth noromo mar siro kendo yie gi paro mar chik mabiro neno ni othir tiyo kod yedhe mamero ji e pacho ka. Kane giwuoyo e romo manobagi e boma ma Nairobi, ne gikwayo od bura, ten kaunti, kanise kod ute fwambo kaachiel kod oganda mondo oriwre e siro parono kendo konyo e geng'o weche matuch ma ok ni kare. Paro mar chikno siro medo higa mitiyo godo e madho kong'o nyaka 21, geng'o lando gigo mamero ji e wang' jowi kendo keto alwora maonge gigo mamero ji ne rowere matindo.
We laud the government for the bold step. We therefore urge all well-meaning Kenyans, from parliament to faith-based institutions to media houses to the Mamamboga, to protect the policy from misinformation and sabotage by commercial interests.
Children suffer beating and physical abuse by intoxicated caregivers, sexual abuse by relatives under the influence of alcohol, emotional trauma from witnessing domestic violence, education disruption including school dropout out of the economic neglect by either the parent or the caregiver.
We encourage sober discussions guided by public health and human rights principles to pass supportive legislation and budgets to monitor implementation and resist industry lobbying. For the counties, they must play their role clearly, guided by public health and human rights principles in enforcing zoning, licensing and supporting community-level programs.